What to eat before and after exercise. Fuel your body the right way for better results. Have you ever worked out hard but still felt tired, weak, or didn't see the results you expected? The secret may not be your workout. It could be what you eat before and after exercising. Think of your body like a car. Even the best car can't go far without the right fuel. Your body works the same way. The foods you eat before exercise give you energy, while the foods you eat afterward help your muscles recover and grow stronger. Today, we'll discover the best foods to eat before and after exercise so you can perform better, recover faster, and stay healthy. Let's get started. Why nutrition matters. Exercise challenges your muscles and uses up your body's energy stores. Without proper nutrition, you may feel tired more quickly, recover more slowly, and increase your risk of injury. But when you fuel your body wisely, you'll enjoy more energy, improved endurance, stronger muscles, and better overall health. The good news is that eating for exercise doesn't have to be complicated. What to eat before exercise. Your pre-workout meal should give your body lasting energy without making you feel heavy or sluggish. Here are some excellent choices. 1. Whole grains. Whole grain bread, oatmeal, brown rice, and whole grain cereals provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly. This helps keep you energized throughout your workout. 2. Fruits. Bananas, apples, berries, and oranges are packed with natural sugars, vitamins, and minerals. A banana is especially popular because it's easy to digest and provides quick energy, along with potassium, which supports healthy muscle function. 3. Lean protein. Include moderate amounts of protein, such as eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken breast, cottage cheese, or tofu. Protein helps prepare your muscles for exercise and supports muscle maintenance. 4. Healthy fats. If you have plenty of time before exercising, about 2 to 3 hours, healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, or peanut butter can provide long-lasting energy. Just avoid eating large amounts immediately before your workout, since fats digest more slowly. 5. Stay hydrated. Water is one of the most important parts of your workout plan. Drink water throughout the day and have 1 or 2 glasses about 30 to 60 minutes before exercising. Even mild dehydration can reduce your performance. When should you eat before exercise? If you're eating a full meal, try to eat 2 to 3 hours before your workout. If you're short on time, enjoy a light snack 30 to 60 minutes beforehand. Good snack ideas include a banana, Greek yogurt with berries, whole grain toast with peanut butter, oatmeal with sliced fruit, or a small smoothie. What to eat after exercise. After exercising, your body begins repairing muscles and replacing the energy you used. This is why your post-workout meal is just as important as your workout itself. 1. High-quality protein. Protein provides the building blocks your muscles need to recover and grow stronger. Great choices include grilled chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, beans, and lentils. Aim to include a good source of protein within 2 hours after your workout. 2. Healthy carbohydrates. Exercise uses up glycogen, your body's stored carbohydrate energy. Eating healthy carbohydrates helps refill those energy stores. Excellent options include brown rice, sweet potatoes, quinoa, whole grain pasta, and fruits. Combining carbohydrates with protein is one of the best ways to recover. 3. Colorful vegetables. Vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. They help reduce inflammation and support your immune system. Fill your plate with colorful vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers, tomatoes, and leafy greens. 4. Continue drinking water. Replace the fluids you lost during exercise. If you've been sweating heavily, you may benefit from beverages containing electrolytes, especially after long or intense workouts. Foods to avoid before exercise. Some foods can make exercising uncomfortable. Try to avoid heavy fried foods, greasy fast food, large sugary desserts, excessive soda, and large portions right before working out. These foods may cause stomach discomfort, sluggishness, or energy crashes. Simple sample meal ideas. Before exercise. Breakfast, oatmeal with banana and a handful of almonds. Snack, Greek yogurt with berries. Lunch before an afternoon workout, grilled chicken, brown rice, and vegetables. After exercise. Option 1, grilled chicken, sweet potato, and broccoli. Option 2, salmon with brown rice and vegetables. Option 3, Greek yogurt topped with fruit and granola. Option 4, a smoothie made with milk, banana, berries, and protein-rich yogurt. Final tips. Remember, there isn't one perfect meal for everyone. Choose foods you enjoy, eat balanced meals, stay hydrated, and pay attention to how your body feels. Small improvements in your daily nutrition can lead to better workouts, faster recovery, and long-term health. Conclusion. Your workout doesn't begin when you step into the gym, it begins with the food you choose beforehand. And your progress doesn't end when the workout is over. Recovery starts with what you eat next. Fuel your body with wholesome carbohydrates, lean protein, healthy fats, colorful fruits and vegetables, and plenty of water. These simple habits can help you exercise with more energy, recover faster, and become stronger over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's working toward a healthier lifestyle. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep living better every day.